Good afternoon everyone, and we welcome you to Indus Business School. Today we have with us Mr. Manohar Patil. He is the Associate Director at KPMG Global Services. A very warm welcome to you, sir. Sir had a session with our PGDM students today, and he enlightened the students with subjects like ERP, consultants and the current scenario. Sir, I would request you to please share a brief about the technical consultants and the functional consultants and what's the difference and the current scenario in terms of ERP.
Okay.
So please.
So the ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning, and currently ERP market is quite big in the consulting firm. We do have a different kinds of ERP product in the market, like we have SAP, Oracle, PeopleSoft, we have SuccessFactors, Workday, etc. So there are different types of ERPs. We have SaaS, we have cloud on-premise ERP. So right now the era is about SaaS. We have a lot of cloud ERPs present in the market. So we did talk about high level on the ERP technology and how it's benefit to the customers. And we also talk about the consulting role, like so we have different kinds of roles in the consulting industry, and specifically in the ERP market. We do have a functional consultant, technical consultant, what's their roles and responsibility. So functional consultant basically leads the end-to-end implementations, who consult the customers. Is mostly a client-facing role, who understand the business, configure these scenarios into the product. Technical consultant, where it basically comes into picture when there is integration, some kind of customizations, some kind of developments requirements comes into a picture. So mostly both are joint roles, which plays a very important role in any ERP implementations for the customers.
So sir, taking it further, what do you think is the expectation from the youth and the young minds who want to join the firms in the technical era?
Okay. So those who want to be as a ERP, work into a ERP as a consultant, so it's a great opportunity. Every ERP is growing. The ERP market is really growing across the globe, and we have a lot of roles coming up in the market where we need experts who are domain expertise, who are basically from the business, like MBAs or PGDM students, and those who want to pursue their career in ERP market. There is a lot of scope, lot of demand, and specifically it's a kind of client-facing role, interacting and consultant and advisory role, I would say. So those who get a chance to interact with the stakeholders like CHROs, CFOs in day-to-day interactions, understanding the business need, business pain areas, and how they can implement those pain areas. So moreover, like it's kind of a transformation journey for that customers who decided to implement any ERP product for their organization. So that scope is very high, and the role is definitely a very crucial role, which helps for a successful ERP transformation project.
Sir, thank you so much. It was a privilege and a pleasure to have you here with us today, and a heartfelt gratitude from the entire Business School family.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.